Hi everyone. This is the video called Factoring Polynomials under Objective 1. So we're looking at problems 3 and 4 right here, and I'm going to show you a pretty quick and easy way to factor these equations. So the first equation is x squared minus 9x minus 10. We're going to take this equation and we're just going to type it into Desmos. So I'm going to go to Desmos and I'm going to type in x squared minus 9x minus 10. And here's our graph that we're looking at. All I want you to pick out are the two x-intercepts. So for example, this graph, there's an x-intercept at -1 and there's an x-intercept at 10. Now that's not your final answer, but we are going to use these two numbers, -1 and 10. And when you write your final answer, we're going to write it with parentheses, but instead of x minus 1, because it was -1, we have to always change the signs when you're talking about parentheses. So it's going to be x plus 1, and instead of x plus 10, because it was a positive 10, we're actually going to make it x minus 10 to flip the sign. So those would be your two parentheses. We did this in one of our checkpoints, but again, Desmos makes it a lot easier. So it's x plus 1, x minus 10. Let's do number 4. So number 4 is x squared minus 6x plus 8. Again, I'm just going to type that into Desmos. So I'm going to do x squared minus 6x plus 8. Just going to double check. I do not want this point down here low at the bottom of your graph. I only want the x-intercepts. So that would be 2 and 4, positive 2, positive 4. But when you write your answers, just make sure you change the sign. So it would be x minus 2 and x minus 4. And that is it. So when it asks you to factor, make sure you use Desmos and make sure you switch this